What's up, everybody? It's Creme de la Creme Investments and Wellness back at you again with another video. And today I'm gonna be talking about the BS, man. The BS, man. Trading is not what everybody makes it to be. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's promotes the ups of trading. You know what I'm saying? They don't never see the downs of trading. If you do not manage your emotions well, trading can be a very psychological mind F to your brain. You know what I'm saying? You really figure out who you are as a person. One of my mentors told me, when you become a better trader, you become a better person, because in order to become a good trader, you have to be very aware. I don't like to use the word control of your emotions, but you have to be aware of your emotions, because you can't control your emotions. When you see something that makes you happy, you get happy. When you see something that makes you sad, you get sad. When you see something that makes you angry, you get angry. You know what I'm saying? You can't just be like, oh, I'm not angry, I'm not sad. You know what I'm saying? Your emotions don't work like that. But you can be aware of them. And after you're aware of them, you can control them a lot better. Same thing with trading. When you're aware of your greed, when you're aware of your fear of missing out, when you're aware of the fear of losing money, you're aware of your ego to be wrong. When you're aware of all these things, it makes them a lot easier to control on the charts. And when you control them on the charts, you can control them everywhere else. But yeah, man, and it's not a day. Well, it's not a trade to trade basis. It's a collection of trades, and if you can make profit of at least, I'll say, the 5 to 10% on that, you're a good trader. You know what I'm saying? 10 plus, great month. You trade a 100K account, you make 10%. That's 10K in a month. There's not too many jobs out there like that. You know what I'm saying? You can make that within minutes, but you have to have it right up here. People don't talk about the psychology. That's trading. It's not, like I tell anybody, technicals, you can learn that studying hard within 3 to 6 months. Honestly, you can learn how to understand market structure, how to understand the indicators, how to understand support and resistance, supply and demand. You can understand trend line. You can understand all that within 3 to 6 months. So that's not the hard part. The hard part is getting your mind right, your mind focused, and your mind prepared every day to deal with the markets, because you essentially got if you're a full-time trader, you have your well-being and your ability to make money in an unsure environment. You have that tied in an unsure environment. So when you have your way of life and your well-being, and the way you make money, and the way you make income, and the way you feed your family, and the way you feed yourself is wrapped into a very volatile and unsure area called the markets, that can be very psychologically hurtful up here, so that's what I tell everybody. Trading would be the hardest thing you have ever done. And not physically hard. All you're doing is pushing buttons at the end of the day. You're buying low, selling high. That's what you're doing. But to essentially face your demons and face who you are as a person and look yourself in the mirror, that's tough, because we all have these perceptions, and we all have these shields, and we all have this armor that we like to put out and put on before we go out into the world. Trading forces you to take that off. You have to take it off. You have to be vulnerable. You have to dig inside yourself when it comes to trading. If you want to be a good trader, and you want to be a consistent trader, and you want to be profitable over the long run. And I'm no expert. This is just what I've figured out through my year and 6-7 months through trading. And I am a prop firm FTMO trader, managing up to 100K of capital. We'll be applying for the 200K account probably within a few months. But yeah, luckily I've been on the right track to get me in this position as quickly as I did, because I hear stories that people have been trading for 5, 10+ years, and there's nothing wrong with that. You know, everybody has their own story. But I've been in it a year and a half, and I'm a funded prop firm trader. Just because I've been blessed through the different opportunities that's been presented to me in the different mentorships. Shout out to, a lot of people talk about IML, but shout out to IML. I know with their whole recruiting process and all that, I don't really, I never dealt with that, you know, because when I got through IML, I was strictly about trading. I didn't want to do shit else but trade, you know. And my mentors directed me in the right path for that, you know. It's a group in IML called Trade House, and they trade smart money concepts in Trade House. It's not no HFX, no binary, it's none of that. They teach how to trade indices, and they teach you how to trade smart money concepts, the real way to look at the market right now. It's covered with a whole bunch of bull the IML throws on there, but good trade group. Another mentorship that I was involved in, MentFX, great mentorship, and I'll be coming out with my own ebook within about 2 or 3 months. But yeah, man, I just want to get on here and talk to y'all about the reality of trading, man. It's a great career because you will change as a person. You'll be a better person, and you have financial freedom. So with those two things that work hand in hand, the universe blesses both with the other. When you become a better person and you put positive energy into the world will bless you. And trading is the perfect career for that. You know what I'm saying? Perfect career. But yeah, man, those are realities of trading. It's not all Lambos and not all big houses. It can lead to that, but it's not no get rich quick. You know what I'm saying? A lot of those people have put in years. You know what I'm saying? They put in a lot of work to get to where they're at. Some people tell you that, some people don't, but yeah, trading's all up here, man. All up here. So just think about that for anybody that's interested in the trade. Creme de la creme out.